Hello students, you are welcome to today's class. Today we consider a topic that deals with graphical solution of quadratic equation. And let's what's on the board. You have to copy and complete the table below for y equals 3x squared minus 5x minus 7 when x is greater or equals to minus 3 and less or equals to 4. Please take notes. When you want to know when symbol is greater or equals to, you see the mouth open toward the x that is greater equals, that's this line under means is equal to minus 3. It's not going below minus 3. And less or equal to 4 means it's stopping at 4 or coming down less. Mouth close towards the x. Okay. Now we want to get those boxes that are not given. We want to look for the boxes that are not given. Now let's confirm here when x equals minus 3. Let's see whether we get what we have in here so that I can use that method to get other ones. Let's do confirmation of that. Y equals 3, open brackets, minus 3 squared minus 5 bracket minus 3 minus 7 equals 3 times minus 3 squared means minus 3 times minus 3, which is 9. Some students make mistake by saying minus 3 squared, which is very wrong. Minus 3 times minus 3, which is 9. Because negative and negative is positive. Minus 5 times minus 3, that's plus 15 minus 7. Because we have 3 times 9, which is 27 plus 15 minus 7. Because 27 plus 15, that's 42. 42 minus 7, that's 35. That's what we have here. And let's go to when x equals minus 2. Don't forget the formula we are using is y equals 3x squared minus 5x minus 7. Now, let's substitute that. It is 3 into minus 2 squared minus 5 times minus 2 minus 7. Or y now equals 3 times minus 4. Sorry, minus 2 squared means minus 2 times minus 2, which is 4. Okay, this 3 minus 2 squared means minus 2 times minus 2 and not minus 2 squared that you say minus 2 times 2. No, this minus 2 squared means minus 2 multiplied by another minus 2, which is 4. But some students make mistake by saying minus 2 squared means minus 2 times 2, which will give you minus 4. No, we are squaring it twice. Okay, minus 4 times minus 5 times minus 2, that's plus 10 minus 7. 3 times 4, that's 12 plus 10 minus 7, which is 12 plus 10, that's 22 minus 7. 22 minus 7, that's 15. Let's confirm 22 minus 7. Borrow 1 from here to here. 12 minus 7, that is 5. Give me that one, that's 15. Yes, you are right, 15. That's 15. When x equals minus 1, what's our y? Y equals 3 multiplied minus 1 squared minus 5 times minus 1. We're using this equation, minus 7. Because 3 times minus 1 squared. Minus 1 squared means minus 1 times minus 1, which is 1. Minus 5 times minus 1, that's plus 5 minus 7. Equals 3 times 1, that's 3 plus 5 minus 7, which is 3 plus 5, that's 8 minus 7, which is 1. This 1. When x equals 1, Let's see our y equals 3 times 1 squared minus 5 times 1 minus 7, which is 3 times 1 squared is 1 times 1 minus 5 times 1, that's minus 5 minus 7 is equals to our y is 3 times 1, that's 3. Let's add the negative together. Minus 5 minus 1, that's minus 12. 3 minus 12, that's minus 9. When you're removing bigger number from small number, you have negative. That's minus 9. When x equals to 3, let's say our y equals 3 into 3 squared minus 5 times 3 minus 7. I still using the same equation, which is 3 times 3 squared is 3 times 3, which is 9, minus 5 times 3 is minus 15, minus 7. Y now equals 3 times 9, that's 27, minus 15 minus 7, that's, let's add the negative together, that's minus 22. 27 minus 22, that's 5. 5. When x equals to 4, what's our y? Our y equals 3 into 4 squared minus 5 times 3. Sorry, minus 5 times 4, because having 4 here. Our x is 4 this time, minus 7, which is 3 times 4 squared is 16. 3 times 16 minus 5 times 4, that's minus 20, minus 7, which is our y equals 3 times 16, that's 48, minus 20 minus 7, that's minus 27. When you subtract that, you're having 21. This is 21. Now we have gotten a value for y. Now let's plot our graph. That's the next question. We are given the scale to plot the graph. Given the scale to plot the graph. So is our positive y-axis, positive x-axis, negative x-axis, and the negative y-axis. 2 centimeter to represent 1 unit. When you are talking about 1 unit, means it's increasing by one unit. And if you look at this ruler, we have 2 centimeter has 20 boxes. 1 centimeter has 10 small boxes. Okay, you can count it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10th one, that is the 1 centimeter. Now we now have the highest x axis to be 4. Now you have is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's 1. Followed by counting another 20 to give you another another 2 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's for 1 unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20. That's fourth. That's x-axis, positive x-axis. Let's go to negative x-axis. We count 20, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's minus 3. Okay. Now let's go to y-axis. The highest value for the y-axis is 35 and the lowest is minus 9. Let's count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's a 5. Count like that. Just assumption, that's 10, 15. Using credits, that's 20. Trying to scroll. Sorry, that I can get it right. Counting 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's 20. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's 25. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20. That's 35. 35. Count it down also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's minus 10. However, the lowest to be minus 9. Now, how do you know what each small box stands for? See, there's one unit. Let's see, this one. It has 20 boxes. Okay, this one divided by the number of boxes, which is 20. Now, let's divide it. Put one here, 20. 20 goes in one, 0 point, add a 0. 20 in 10, 0, add a 0. 20 in 100, that's 5. Each box is on x-axis. X-axis, each box is 0 0.05. 0 0.05. Now, for the y-axis, 5 divided by 20. 20 goes in 5, 0 point, add a 0. 20 goes in 50, that's 2. 20 times 2, that's 40. 10, add a 0. 20 goes in 100, that's 5. Each box here is 0 0.25. When you multiply by 20, you have 5 back. You can see it. 25 over decimal is 100 is 1. How many numbers figure after decimal? 2 times 20. Okay, 0 comes to 0, 2 here 1, 2 here 5, 5 here 1, 5 here 5. So that we got our 5 back. Okay, we'll be dividing what you have, the number, the first one, with the number of boxes to know what each box stands for. As for y, each box is 0.25. Now let's plot the graph. You now have minus 3 to 35. Minus 3 to trace it up as straight. Minus 2 to 15. Minus 2 to 15. Trace it. So 15. Trace it. Minus 1 to 1. Minus 1 to 1. How do you get 1? Now for the y-axis, we have 0.25. 0.25 times 4. 4 boxes. 4 times 5, 20. 0 carry 2. 4 times 2, 8. Plus 2, 10. 0. That's 1. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4. We trace it to negative 1. We start it. 0 to minus 7. 0 to minus 7. This minus 5. Okay. What do you add to this minus 5 to get minus 7? We have 0 0.0, 0 point, and the y-axis is 0.25. 0.25 times, to get 2, we need 2 more to get minus 7 times, we have times 4, will you get minus 7? No, let's say times 8, the double of this one, times 8, 8 times 5, 40, 0 carry 4, 8 times 2, 16, plus 4, 20, 0 carry 2, 8 times 0, 0, that's 2. How many boxes now? 8 boxes. You now count, well, we have minus 5 before here. Now have 8 to join it to give us 2. We'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Will give us 2. And we need minus 7. That is minus 2 minus 7. We have minus 2 when you count this. Now trace it to 0. Okay, 0. 0 to minus 7. That's to start it. Start it at that point. That's minus 7. No, we have minus 5 here. We need 2 more. And 8 boxes give us 2. We add it to this 5 to give us minus 7. That's minus 2 plus minus 5 plus minus 2. That's minus 7. Now let's come to the other one. 1 to minus 9. We have 1 here. 1, 4 boxes give us 1. We have, we need minus 9. Now to get minus 9 means that you remove 4 boxes down, so that the remaining one will now be give us minus 9. Okay, now for 8 boxes give us 7. Okay, so each box is 1. Each 4 boxes give us 1. Is that not? Okay, now to get, we have 8 boxes to give us 2. Now, how many boxes are we going to add to this 7 to give us 9? I have another 2 to be added to it. Count another 4, another 8, sorry. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8, which is this. Just now trace it to 1. Trace it to 1. Okay. Now that means that you are left with 4 down before it gives us minus 10. Since you know what each box stands for, you'll be adding it to the previous one that you have. You know we have minus 7 here. We need another 8 to be counted to give us 2 to add to 7, 7, 8, 9. But we need minus 9. Okay. Now the next one is 3 to 5. 3 to 5. 3 to 5, trace it up. It's 3 to 5. The last one, 4 to 21. 4 to 21. Now we're having y to be 0.25 times 4 give us 1. I will now count is 20, count 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Trace it to 4. It's 4. Okay. Now let's join our graph. It's a sketch. The sketch. Okay. Use French curves to join it on your graph. Now y equals, let's write it, y equals 3x squared minus 5x minus 7. That's the graph. And you have to, the third question, you have done that of B, the C from your graph, find the root of the equation. Where to join the x-axis, the root of the equation, roots of the equation are, that's at this point, it cuts at this point. Since on x-axis we are having 1 divided by 20, that's 0.05. That's on the x axis. On the y axis, that's 0.25. 5 divided by 20. 5 divided by 20. 0.25, yes, that's for y. Now I want on the x 0.05. So we'll count it. How many boxes? This box is 0.05. You have to count 1, 2, 3, 4. It land on the 18th box. The 18th box. That's 18th box. 0.05 times 18. Is that okay? That's 5 over 100 times 18. 5 over 100 times 18. I want to know what it will give us. As let's do this multiplication. 0.05 times 18. 8 times 5, 40. 0 carry 4. 8 times 0, 0 plus 4. That's 4. 8 times 0, that's 0. 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 0 is 0. That is 0. 5 plus 4 plus 5, that's 9. 0, 0. We shift to 10, 1, 2. 1, 2. That's 0.9. 0.9. The first answer is 0.9. We shift when you have 1, 2. We shift 2 times. 1, 2. Half is 0, 9, 0, 0. Half shift, you have two decimal places, 1, 2. So you have is 0.90. And at this point, that's minus x is minus 0.90 at this point. Now for the other side, you count it so that 1, 2, 3. When you count it, you stop at these 2 points, remain 2, and each box is 0.05 times 18 also. As 0.9 plus these 2, that's 2.9 because I have a base of 2. That's 2 plus 0.9. That's 2.9. Now the root of the equations are x equals minus 0.90 and x equals 2.90. That brings us to the end of the class. Please don't forget to drop your question in the comment section. Have a wonderful day.